Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab, and then right above Tables, over on the left side, right next to Pages, select the Table button. And you can insert a table by how many columns and rows you want. So pretty straightforward, pretty neat in there, guys. You can also add an Excel spreadsheet as well. You can actually embed it into the Word document itself. So definitely some really cool features here, guys. I would definitely consider them pretty interesting. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.